Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, and here it does not really matter whether you will be on the recents or contacts. Basically, you have to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner and localize the harassment filter. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on this blacklist option and tap on the plus icon. And as you can see, right now we can simply enter the number we want to block and tap on add, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that you will now receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. Of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same, maybe not the same way, but you can unblock it here in this section just by tapping on this trash bin icon and confirm by tapping on remove. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.